Good morning, everybody. Happy Tuesday. It is April.
Call from fan.
Sorry, Mr. Myers calling me, of course, to interrupt my video. Just ignore him for now. So it is April 21st, and I will read this to you. I hope you are all doing well. Hope you're ready to have a great Tuesday. It's going to be a good day. More and more of you are finishing your work every day, which is awesome. Appreciate that. It's just great to see you do it. I know it's about you learning, so it's cool that you're still engaging in the learning every day. You know, I know it's harder, but you're still doing it, and more of you are, so it's been awesome. My dog is going to be in the video later this week, so stay tuned for that. All right, our learning objective for today. I can understand the biography of Zora Neale Hurston and make connections to her experiences. All right, we started learning about her yesterday. We're going to continue that today. So first, watch this video. Then you're going to go to vocabulary.com. I'm going to show you this. I know you've been on here. You're going to practice the Zora Neale Hurston biography assignment. These are the words that will be on your quiz on Thursday. We have a vocabulary quiz on Thursday again. If you don't need to finish this assignment today, but I just want you to start practicing. If you don't want to practice, that's your choice. But remember, the quiz is going to be Thursday, so if you should probably practice. You'll have time tomorrow to do this as well, so don't feel like you need to finish this assignment today, but I'll show you where it is. I know it's a little different on my side, but it's the Zora Neale Hurston biography assignment right here. All right, so click on that one, get working on that. These are the exact words from the article that you started yesterday, and there's a couple from today, and then they're going to be the exact same words that are going to be on your quiz. All right, after that, you are going to go to app.peardeck.com, click on this link here. This is going to be a little bit different than what we've been doing, but it will still be like we're doing the same assignment. It's just a different format, a different way to do it. So I'm going to show you this. If I do it in my window, I have to do this way because otherwise it will not work. So you're going to click on app.peardeck.com. Once it's on this page, click on join a session at the top. And I'm already logged in to my Google account, but if you weren't, you need to use your school Google account to log in, okay? So don't forget that step. Once it has this screen, you're gonna click or enter the code KAOSG, okay? Let's do that, KAOSG. Once you're in, it'll be the same. You can see how you're doing. It's still using Google Slides, but it's going to be more like interactive, and you can go at your own pace. So we might start doing this from now on. You guys can give me feedback if you like this website or not too. I appreciate that. So you just go through, click the assign or click answer each question. Okay, each one will have a way to respond, a different way to respond. It'll be cool. I hope this works out. I will also be uploading a video of me reading the article like I did yesterday. So you can have this open and also have my video open of me reading it if that helps you. That's totally optional, but if you'd like that support. Okay? So hopefully that all makes sense. If you have questions about that, just join my office hours, okay? Or email me or whatever. I almost said text me. I don't have my number, so don't text me. But I mean, email me, Schoology message, or just join my office hours, check in, say hi, or ask questions if you have any questions about that assignment. All right, I think I covered everything. You don't really need to go into the Tuesday folder because it's all right here today. All right, everybody. Hope to see you in my office hours. Until then, have a great day and stay rad.